Hi, I'm Amelie Han. In this video, we're going to review material inventory. We navigate from SAP Manager. Click Logistics, Materials Management, Inventory Management, Environment, Stock, and Warehouse Stock. Now we can see the transaction code to display a material inventory is MB52. So we double click on it. In the Display Warehouse Stock of Material screen, in the Material field, enter EPAD 1000. In the Plant field, click the Magical button. We select Miami MI00. Press Execute button. Now we can see the material number EPAD 1000, material description elbow pads, plant name MI00 DC Miami. The most important here in the MI00 plant, there are two storage locations, MI00 and TJ00. In MI00 storage location, it has 600 each. In TJ00, it has 1,790 each. So the elbow pads in the Miami plant are 600 plus 1,790, total 2,390 each. Good luck with your assignment. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching.